Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. So I'm going to be making this card for you guys today, and the supplies I'm using are from a subscription that I get once a month. It's called the SCT Sampler, and there's more information about that on my blog. So this particular pattern paper comes from Carta Bella, and it came in my monthly subscription for October. And you can see the pattern. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this pattern paper is beautiful. Carta Bella always has gorgeous papers, and I love the texture. There's always some gorgeous texture. It's also a thick cardstock, so it's very high quality. And you can see here, I just wanted to cut out a piece of paper for my background for my card, and I'm just marking off where I want to cut it because I want the certain pattern to show on my card. So instead of just taking the sheet and cutting it down to size for an A2 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, I went ahead and measured it so that it would, I could cut it to show the design that I wanted. Now that looks perfect right there. For some reason I'm thinking that I want to have a smaller yellow border, so I actually adhere it to a little bit closer to the edge than I should have. So I do end up, I don't show this on the video, but I do go ahead and separate these two pieces and cut down the Hello Fall paper so that more of that yellow border shows, which you can see in the picture of the card at the beginning and the end of this video. Okay, now I'm just trimming down some extra cardstock to put on the back of this because I wanted a little bit of dimension. If this goes through the mail, then I didn't want a bunch of dimension, but I did want it to stand out a little bit. So I just took a piece of 80-pound cardstock to go behind it. So that's all I'm doing there. This is a very easy, simple card today, guys, and I'm using some of these enamel dots just to embellish my card. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on here. I'm using my craft knife to get them off of that release paper there, or that little acrylic paper transparency, whatever you want to call it. And then I feel like it just needs something else. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of this burgundy paper that also comes from Carta Bella, and I'm just going to trim it down and create like a little tag just to add some more something, just a little embellishment at the bottom of the card. You could put it at the top, you could put it anywhere you want. This is a very simple, easy card for you guys today. I have a lot of other cards that I've made with the October 2022 SCT Sampler, but I just haven't gotten around to doing the voiceovers and getting them up on YouTube. But I have posted some pictures on my Instagram, so go ahead and check that out at Greetingstar. And then I'm going to decorate the inside of the card with the leftover scrap of paper that I cut off of the original page. So just to give it a little bit of something extra there and some cohesiveness from the front to the inside. So that's my card for today, guys. Quick, and fun. So I hope you'll give it a try. I hope this encouraged you and gave you some inspiration. Hope you have a wonderful day, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.